In this video, I know you're probably struggling with what activities you would like to implement for your child with ASD. I'm going to share with you some helpful tips that can assist you in meeting your child's needs. Hi, my name is Lanisha Rogers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I will be sharing with you several activities that can assist you in meeting your child's needs within your home. One activity that my families and I have found very engaging, in which their child has been receptive to, is blowing bubbles. Blowing bubbles is a really good activity, be honest with you, a good starting activity, especially when they're not having a good day. It's very calming for them. So I typically use the bubble wand because the bubbles come out pretty big for them to pop them. So I tend to use the bubble wand where you can fan the bubble wand back and forth, or you can simply blow into them. And they're allowed to pop them as you're blowing. And this can be very calming for them. And my children absolutely love when I blow bubbles for them. And then another activity that my families and I have found to be really good for them as well is using PlayDoh. PlayDoh is a good sensory activity for your child because they're able to press and roll and mold the PlayDoh in their hands. So they're feeling the texture and they're squeezing it, and it could be actually calming for them. Okay, so definitely try using PlayDoh within your home as a good activity for them. I found it to be very helpful, and so has my parents with their children. So definitely try to implement this activity. And then another activity that I also use with some of my children is stacking wooden blocks. The wooden blocks that we have here, I have some that have alphabets, and I also have some that have numbers. And typically I see my children stacking them one on top of one another, and then they knock them over. What gets them excited when engaging with blocks is that they wait for the impact and the sound of when they knock over the blocks, which is very, engaging for them. They just wait for that sound, and then they stack them again. And also you will see how your child is recognizing letters and numbers while stacking these blocks. So it's pretty much a 2-in-1 activity for them. Okay, so if you want to see how I set up a few more activities and materials that you can use when setting up these activities, please make sure you watch the next video on this screen if you wish to try these activities at home with your child. And please don't forget to leave feedback, comments, questions, or concerns for me if you have any, and after using these activities at home. We are more than welcome to conversate and see, what kind of feedback you had from these activities in home with your child. Until then, see you next time.